This is her mama and her baby. They're outside right now looking at the tomatoes, and they're so cute. There she is. There's her baby. Baby was nursing just a minute ago. It was so sweet. Baby still has spots. I'm in the house right now. Such a cutie pie. It's like Bambi or something. Hello. There they are. You really like those tomatoes. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Well, it's late in the year. We have more tomatoes than we can eat anyway. That's alright. There he goes. Yummy. That's pretty good. It tastes alright.